Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Trevor with eCommerce Paradise, and today I'm going to teach you about market research for high-ticket dropshipping. Market research is really important because you need to be able to know if a niche is profitable before you get started, and without proper research, you will be in the dark, you won't really know, and chances are you won't really succeed either just because you haven't done your research ahead of time. So in this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to research a market from start to finish. There's a lot of different steps involved, so let's get into it. I'm going to show you my computer screen and we'll dive in from there. Okay guys, so here we are in google.com. Now, in order to get some ideas on what niches to research, first there's a few resources that I wanted to give you. Number one is my website, ecommerceparadise.com/niches. And what that's going to bring you is to a free webinar, a free mini course, and free niches list. So sign up for this niches list, and on the other side, you will get a niches list. And it may or may not look like this when you get it. You might have to download it from your email, but regardless, this is what it will end up looking like. And there's a lot of guides here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to research a few of the niches that are in this list, and I'm going to show you what the research process is like. It's pretty simple, and the first step is just finding your future competitors. So take any one of those niches and type it into Google. Okay, and the first thing you should see is a bunch of ads. These are called Google Shopping ads. You can also see them under the Shopping tab here. If you click Shopping, you'll see a lot of different ads under Shopping. In the bottom left, you see all the sellers and the sellers' names. Now, what I usually look for right off the bat is any websites that have the actual domain of the website have the niche in it. So that means it's a niche website, right? Wine Cooler Direct and WineCoolerDeals.com seem to be the two that are really putting out ads for this generic keyword right now. So with that being said, we can go ahead and take a look at those. So I just kind of like highlight, open a new tab, and paste. Alright, and the next step is you want to look at each of these competitors, these niche site stores, and you want to see if they have a physical retail storefront, okay? Because if they do, then it's probably they have some sort of a retail storefront or a warehouse they ship out from. It's going to be harder to compete with them to get these suppliers. So usually if they don't have an address on the bottom of their website, look at your About page. Now right here, notice something that's interesting. It's part of Living Direct and the Build.com networks. Build.com is a huge network of e-commerce sites that have been around for a long time. So although these guys may be just e-commerce sites, they probably have warehouses somewhere that stock and ship products. So I probably wouldn't mess with them. I wouldn't even really care. So I'm not even going to look at that website. It's just too big. It's out there. Okay, WineCoolerDeals.com. It's funny, but I actually built this website for a client of mine, and it's great to see that they're advertising the ads still. So I don't really mind showing you their website. So let's go ahead and check this out. And I know for sure these guys are dropshipping only. I think they actually sold their site to somebody else, so that's why I don't really mind showing it to you. If it was my client, would probably not mind, but I do mind because they are not my client that owns it anymore. So anyways, I built this website. It looks really good. They changed it a lot. They changed the theme and everything, but they have all the suppliers that we got on board for them still. And so when you know that a website doesn't have a physical storefront, like they don't have any kind of a retail storefront or a warehouse, on their About page there's nothing in there about an actual address with a storefront, that kind of thing. Then you can be pretty sure that you can extract the brands from their website and take all sorts of information from them. So once you have that down, then okay, all the brands and products on this website I can extract and do further research on. So your research kind of starts here, right? There's niche stores selling in that niche. If you can't find a niche store selling in a particular niche, then you probably shouldn't really dive deeper into it. Like if there's only broad sites selling that product, probably don't dive into it, especially if it's your first business, okay? Only mess with this kind of stuff. So now that we know that all these brands are here, we could extract these into a spreadsheet, find their contact information, and contact them once we have a website up. We can look at all these different product categories. We have like ADA compliant wine cooler, single zone, dual zone, 3-zone, built-in, freestanding. So all these different types of wine coolers and other types of beverage refrigeration and commercial products. So that's that. Now the next thing I want to show you is how to find other niche stores once you found one of them. And it's really easy. So let's just look at a random one like winter. You can go through any brand. And what you got to do is, search by best-selling. So you get like the most popular ones at the top. And then once you get the most popular ones, and you'll know they're popular because they probably have reviews on them, just take the name of the product and copy that. Go back into Google Shopping and paste it in there. And now you should get more niche sites because these niche sites are the ones that are bidding on product keywords. Okay, so we got Wine Cooler Capital. That's another niche site. Let's check that out. Any others? Capstone Wine Coolers, kind of sounds like a niche site. And 5-Star Wine Coolers kind of sounds like a niche site. Alright, if one doesn't come up, then it's probably because it's newer, so just click the ad. Oh, it's actually a buy on Google thing. Okay, interesting. Alright, we'll don't worry about that then. Looks like Capstone might be one. They don't have any kind of a physical storefront listed here on their website, and it looks like a Shopify store. So this is great. So there's another one. And here's Wine Cooler Capital. Looks like a Shopify store. Definitely, this is one of the banners you get for free when you sign up for Dropship Lifestyle. So they're probably a Dropship Lifestyle student, which is kind of funny. And yeah, no address, so this is great. So we can extract from here too. So by capacity, by style, by price, brands, they only have 4 brands. So they're brand new. And these guys have close to the same amount that I built for the other clients. So that's great. So we found a couple more niche stores already. Let's keep diving into it. Let's look at another brand, and like AKDY. Let's find other niche stores selling these guys. All right, let's go to best selling again. I don't really want to search sold out, but yeah, because like they might, some of the competitors, if they're sold out, then they won't be showing ads for them. So let's go ahead and choose one that isn't sold out and look into that one. Go back here. All right, so let's go down here, and you see that it's being sold by same website again. Keg Factory might be one. Let's see. I'm not sure, but I think this is a niche store selling kegs. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's funny. I actually know the guy who made this website. All right, so yeah, this is a really good website. They're doing great. It's a great website to model after, so I would definitely recommend checking out this site. And yeah, Cake Factory is a good one. So let's see here. Let's look at another brand from that website. Alavino. Let's type Alavino in there. Actually, let's type one of the product names. And this is the last one I'll do. I'll kind of leave you guys with this and show you a couple more things that you can do to research. So now that you have an idea of exactly how to find niche stores and then find more niche stores from that original niche store, then you can do some deeper research. You can find out all sorts of cool things. So let's just choose this first one here and move forward with it. Try to choose products that have reviews. All right. Let's go here. Great. Bottom. All right. So we have the same ones. Okay. All right. This looks like a niche store. Let's check it out. This might be a niche store. Let's check it out. This is definitely a niche store. this is probably a niche store here too. So keep in mind, guys, that I'm not actually giving away any like secret information here. This is all easily found information, and it's just through doing research. So, you know, like if you can't find a website, just type it in like this. And okay, here we go. And here we go. All right, so we've already found a bunch of niche stores. This is actually one that's different. Actually, I know the guy doing this website, and he does great websites. So, you know, here's another example of a niche that isn't quite related. I'm not sure why he's selling wine coolers in this store, why it came up when I searched Alavino product, but it doesn't have it listed, so it's interesting. But regardless of that, let's see this one. Yep, another Shopify store. Sure enough, got a bunch of brands. No address. So another one, inspirationwine.com, kegsandcoolers.com, another Shopify store, no address. So you can extract from them, and winecoolersempire.com, another Shopify store. So it's pretty simple, right? You kind of get the point. I've already, within the last 10 minutes, found 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 niche stores that are definitely profitable, making sales that you can model after. Take their brands, take their categories, and make your own website out of it. So Google Trends is really cool because you can see generally the search volume trends of any particular niche. So type wine cooler in Google Trends and you'll see, boom, you got pretty trendy. You know, it's maybe down the last like month or two, but that's just seasonality. This is over the last year, right? Now let's look over the last 5 years and get their general trends, and it's even, okay? So, you know, their seasonality, it's pretty high in the winter and kind of low in the spring, and leading back up into the summer, it's kind of high again. Okay, so winter, summer, fall, it's low, winter. So it's actually seasonal in the winter and the summer, low in the spring and the fall. It's interesting. But it's something to know before you get into this niche. Now, and this is generally speaking interest over time. So it's not really giving you search volume. In order to get search volume, you really need to have a Google Ads account and look at the trends. So Google Keyword Planner is a good way to go for that. So you can create a free Google Ads account at ads.google.com and just go to Keyword Planner, and you can get keyword search volume there for free. Just type it in, you'll see the search volume. All right, and anything that's got over, like, I don't know, 50,000 searches per month on a generic keyword is probably a good one. Even if it has lower, like 20,000 or 30,000, it's probably still pretty good. But you want to be careful if it has, like, lower than 10,000. You might want to, you know, choose a little bit broader. If you have a category that's like 10,000, it's like, all right, well, I might need to combine, like, 2 or 3 of these categories into, like, a little bit broader site to make it work. But still, even if it's 10,000, if it's a high-ticket product, like $3,000 or $5,000, you'll make enough profit per sale that a niche site on that just that product category will still be profitable, even though it's less traffic, because you will be the authority on that particular niche. Just like this sells only wine coolers, you can have a website that sells only, you know, steam showers or something like that. You know, and just look through my niches list, do the same stuff here with any of these product categories, and you'll get tons of great ideas. And honestly, you don't really need to know a whole lot about the niche to get started. You just need to be willing to learn and you know, try to match something up with a past skill set. So if you know about like conference tables or treadmill desks or something already, or if you work in an office environment and you use standing desks, you have an idea, that's a great niche to start with then. You know, something you already have a skill set behind and you have some sort of a passion about. If you've been riding bicycles for a long time and you love electric bikes or something, you sell those. You know, if let's see, if you love like off-gridding and stuff like that, then tiny house might be kind of cool for you. If you love playing pool, like billiards, pool tables might work really well. So there's lots of good ideas here, and it really depends on you. So get in here and watch my free training, because that's going to help you decide on your niche. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching my high-ticket dropshipping market research guide. Now, I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. If you're interested, I am offering free 15-minute discovery calls to you so that I can help you to start your business or build your business. I can see if maybe there's a way that I'll be able to provide you some sort of a service to help you fast track your way to success. If you're interested in booking a call with me for free, just click the link below or go to ecommerceparadise.com/discovery call and book your call today. I'm super excited to help more of you guys out there get started with online business
Become location independent, work from home, spend more time with your family, travel abroad, be time independent, don't have to answer to a boss anymore, any of that BS, and have financial freedom, have the options to move places or, be able to buy a home and, have money to invest, that kind of stuff, and live the life of your dreams, really, all that stuff. So I'm super excited for that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video, the thumbs up button, so I can reach a wider audience, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.